Welcome back to Overheat. Class, Newmar Dutch Star. 2026. The Dutch Star is a diesel pusher motorhome that is well known for its excellent performance, comfort, and luxury. Market target, made for experienced travelers seeking a luxurious, feature-rich camping experience. Reputation, because Newmar is known for its creativity, superior craftsmanship, and painstaking attention to detail. The Dutch Star is among the most sought-after motorhomes on the market. Expected attributes and features: chassis and engine, most likely a sturdy Freightliner or Spartan chassis designed for long-distance, steady transit. Strong Cummins diesel engine with at least 450 horsepower for optimal performance on a variety of road conditions. External, the outside design has been updated with contemporary aerodynamic lines, complete exterior painting with a range of upscale color choices and eye-catching graphic motifs. LED headlights, taillights, and accent lights are examples of external lighting that improves visibility and appearance. Included are an automatic entry door with a canopy and an electric side canopy for a comfortable outdoor living area. Spacious cargo storage space with useful divisions. Interior, luxurious and spacious interior layouts with a variety of floor plans to suit different needs. High-end elements include genuine leather, exquisite hardwood floors, and counters made of solid stone. Furnishings that have been thoughtfully and comfortably designed. A state-of-the-art entertainment system with multiple LED TVs, Wi-Fi, and an expensive sound system. A fully equipped kitchen featuring stainless steel appliances, including a full-size refrigerator, dishwasher, convection microwave, and induction cooktop. A lavish bathroom with 2 sinks, a large shower, and a porcelain toilet. A comfortable master bedroom with a queen or king-size bed, a TV, and lots of storage. A sophisticated climate management system with many air conditioners and heaters.